Hi guys, it's Mary, and look, I've got the new Tonic craft kit for December. And if you're counting, which I still am, it's number 50. So let's give it a look. Let's take all this out and make it easier to see. Put this over here. All right, so we've got our papers, our goodies, and our dies. So it is where's our little, here it is. Give it a twirl. And so, from what I understand, it is quilling. And it says, enjoy the little things. So, let's take a look at the die. Yep, quilling. All right, so this is the one that says, actually, this way, enjoy the little things. And so we've got this really pretty vine here, and it looks like there's little placeholders for the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one of the flowers and one of the other types of flowers. And let's see what this is. All right, so this one's got, each one has a different edge on it. This one looks like this one, only larger. And so there's 4 different flowers. And then the frame, to cut this out. And then this looks like, yeah, this will cut out a rectangle that you can put the flowers in. Let me measure this. It is 5.5 or almost 5.5, 5.25, about 5.25 by 6. So that's a good size for a 5 by 7 card or a scrapbook layout. Over here they show, they put 2 frames together on that background here, or 1 frame and two sets of flowers, 1 here and 1 here, the opposites, to make a whole thing. And then this one they've got on a square card, so it matches. All right, and then let's take a look at the stamp set. That's a pretty flower, looks like. It's not a daisy, it's not a poppy. I don't know, but it's pretty. I don't know if you can see it better that way or not. Maybe on white. Yeah, better on white. So there you go. All right, so that's the die and the stamp set. All right. And then let's look at the goodie bag. I'm always excited about the goodie bag. All right, so let's get some scissors so we can read this. This is Crystal Drops in Morning Dew, and it says it dries clear. So I would imagine it dries clear and has that wet look. Excuse me. All right, so that's Crystal Drops. What else do we have in here? 3 marker pens. Black Cherry, Desert Sage, and French Navy. French Navy, that's an interesting name for a color. All right, oh, we've got a little mini ink pad. Oh, wait, I don't have to cut that one out. It's a baggie. Rich Rosewood. That looks like a pretty color. And the Nouveau Hybrid. A quilling tool, just in case you're new to quilling, which is good because not everybody has done quilling before. With the large end and the small end. Oops. What is this? This is Glacier Paste in, they don't make it easy to read, Iron Frost. I'm reading it off the card because I cannot read it at all. But trust me, it says Iron Frost, which is a pretty kind of a silvery blue. And then a little package of crystals, or what do they call these? Crystal gemstones. And look at how pretty they are. They catch the light and change color. That is gorgeous. All right, so that's our goodies. Have never tried the Nouveau marker pens, so that I'm interested to see how those are. If you've used them before, let me know in comments how you like them compared to like Spectrum Noir or Copic. All right, let's get to the paper. All right, let's go down the line. All right, so this should be pistachio green classic card. Yeah, and then this is the olive green. And then there's a navy blue. Nope, that's not classic card. brick red classic card. Says that there is a navy blue, so it's in here somewhere. Bear with me. I think I found it. There it is. All right, so there's the classic cards. Those are pretty colors. And then mirror card in opera red. It's got to be this one. And then pearlescent card in dazzle, navy dazzle. Pearlescent card in red velvet. Specialty card in midnight sky. I just love the texture of those. I don't know if you can see it. And then ombre sky pattern paper, and there's 2 of those. And this, can you see how it goes lighter to dark? Let me turn it this way. Light to dark, ombre sky, 2 of these. Oh, and look, okay, if you turn, they both go that way, but if you turn it over, then it goes long ways, light to dark. So that's cool. I like that. And then Autumn Delight double-sided sheets. So there's green on one side and then the pinkish red leaves on the other side. So that's nice too. All right, so that's it for the paper. Hopefully you can see them all at the same time. Let me fan them out a little bit. So that's kind of a nice earthy for winter. All right, so that's the paper. So that is it for Give It a Twirl. I have not done any quilling in a very long time. So this will be interesting. I'm anxious to try Tonic's dyes and see how they are. Yeah. All right. So that's it for craft kit number 50. Give it a twirl. If you have, like I said, if you've used their markers before, let me know how you like them. It doesn't say alcohol markers, so I'm not sure. Maybe it does on the barrel. Let me look. Because this sheet just says marker. No, it doesn't say on the barrel either. So I guess I'm assuming that they're an alcohol marker. I don't know. Anyway, if you've used their markers before, let me know. Let me know how you like them. Let me know if they're alcohol or not. I think I had gotten in one of the kits a water-based marker. I think I have it over here. Let me look, bear with me. Yeah, Aquaflow. So these are water. So these have got to be alcohol. Or I would think that they would say something else on them. But I've been known to be wrong before. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for watching as always. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. I guess that'll be it. Yep. All right, so until next time, take care, stay well, and happy scrapping. See you next one. Bye-bye.